Hey everyone, look what I get to eat this evening for dinner. Susan made a homemade pizza and
in the foodie.
In
I'll
the
be
foodie.
doing some videos on that.
There you go. Well, in today's video, we are heading westward to Lake Tawakoni, Texas, to a Thousand Trails campground that we have a membership with, and we'll be there for about a week before we head westward. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.
He's scootering across the USA from near and far and day to day. He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler. The accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe. Well, folks, we finally were able to hit the road. Susan and I have been planning a cross-country road trip with an RV for a long time, and now the kids are out and COVID is over. We're able to take this RV trip. Unfortunately, we weren't able to do the plans with Give Kids the World, but we still have a link down in the description in our videos if anybody wants to donate to Give Kids the World. But otherwise, we decided to go ahead and take this trip anyway and go around the country. And right now we're on our way to, Lake Tawakoni, Texas. They have beautiful sunsets there. The lake is beautiful. It's only about 45 minutes to an hour from Dallas. And we went over to Dallas. There was a beautiful farmer's market there. Met a lot of local artisans and so forth, and bought some wine and some other things, and it was an enjoyable trip. And we were in Lake Tawakoni for about a week?
About a week.
Yes.
Yeah, about a week. It gave us time to just kind of, get in the groove of being full-timers, and, finally, seeing what the full-time life is like in an RV, and it was relaxing. And so then we just kind of planned our rest of our trip there too, and
we closed up the house, put a lot of our stuff in storage, and we're taking this trip, and we're spending the next 9 months to a year traveling in the United States, and we can't wait for you guys to, join this venture with us and let us know what you'd like to see, because if there's sites along the way, we'd love to hear about them, or restaurants or anything like that.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. So enjoy the rest of the video, and
do you want to talk about the end of this video? Of how you were so upset me.
Well, I wasn't upset, but
you kept your cool.
Well, I gave the map, the campground map, to Susan. Now, picture this: I give her the map. Well, she tells me later that whoops, she was holding it upside down. So watch to the end of the video.
It wasn't upside down. It was. I thought the ranger station was a building that we were at, and it really wasn't the right building. So that's what.
All right.
Kind of
well, anyway, watch the end of this video. It's kind of comical, and you need to watch it, and give us your comments in the bottom of the video. Thanks, guys.
In 1/2 mile, arrive at Lake Tawakoni RV Campground, on the right.
Pretty entrance. Yeah. I'll get a video of it.
Looks like there is a house or a guard shack up here.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at Lake Tawakoni RV Campground, on the right.
put that on the electrical box, that piece of paper there. There's a number at the top. That's for your review, but the paper underneath it.
Okay.
And if you call that number, let me know what site you can go in so we can get you into the system.
Okay.
Have you been to the park before?
No, I have not.
Are you needing 50 amp or 30?
Preferably 50. Want to see if there was something down near the lake. Do you know if there's any?
It's kind of just first come, first served. We're not that full yet. We have a lot of check-ins today.
Okay.
On the map there, it's the second page. There's you'll see it color coded. There's an orange. There's a 50 amp with sewer.
Okay.
And if you go right, where that first RV is, you just head down that way.
Okay.
There's a whole slew of 50 amp.
So make this first right here?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Go down there and then
Picture this. We have arrived at Lake Tawakoni Campground in Texas. We are in our 32-foot motorhome towing our car behind us. In total, we're probably about close to 60 feet long. As we pass through the gate, this is where things get hairy. Hint, I handed Susan the map to navigate. Listen closely to the audio. You may find this quite comical.
50 amps. I guess those ones, there are some 50 amps. I guess the blue means 50 amps. No, 30 amps. There's a lot of them. Section C is okay, ranger station. Making a right here. Okay.
Yeah, remember I want to go C64,
Yeah,
60.
it's a long way around. So, we're gonna have to go a ways. Dumpster, we're gonna make a you want to get to section C.
Yeah, you see where I'm going up here on the map in front of us?
That's
it's like a Y.
It's like a Y. We were at the ranger station. That's where I'm taking you from F to the Y. You're gonna keep going straight.
To the right?
Right, yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought.
RV's over 35 feet, not advised. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. No.
Because you can't back, they don't have room there to back up. Said they have a lot of check-ins today. Here somewhere and unhook, or
yeah, if you want to, and then you can look at it.
let me see. I don't want to go in that grass. I don't know if it's soft or not.
Yeah, I know.
Here, I can look at it. I think we want to go straight here, don't we?
What's that Santa sign? Something trail.
Let me see. I don't
See,
think
we were here. We were at the ranger station.
we wanted to go in front of those RVs. We didn't want. This is where we're at now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, this set.
We'll loop around and get out of here then. Beyond this point, you're going to loop around, right?
Well, how do I look? I'm stuck because I got a car attached to me now. It says no RVs beyond this point, but how do I get out of here?
I thought there was a loop, but I don't know if you can loop around or not.
I'm going to. I'll try looping here. Yeah, you got to be careful with these maps, sweetheart, because.
Oh. Well, I got very confused because. Oh, wait a minute.
We're supposed to be over where all those RVs are.
Okay, so we're gonna have to detach, and you gotta go around that way.
I know. Let me detach right here. 'Cause I can't do this. I don't want to get thrown out 1,000 trails because we're going places we're not supposed to.
Okay, well, I got very confused because we were at the ranger station.
I know, but you should have been able to see on the map here. I said there's a Y, and you said.